The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins and read by Barb. I've made cookies for tea, said Mom. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Mom. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma, said Sam. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for Sam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for Victoria. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mom, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Mom. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 for Sam. 1, 2, 3 for Victoria. 1, 2, 3 for Tom. And 1, 2, 3 for Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mom, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Mom. You can share the cookies. Here's Peter. And here's his little brother. So Sam will share a cookie. Tori will share a cookie. And their 2 friends will share a cookie. So now, how many does each child have? Let's count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma, said Peter, and smell as good. What do you think's going to happen now? You're right. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Mom. You can share the cookies. So there's Joy and Simon and their 4 cousins. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, how many cookies does each child have? You're right. That's 1 each, said Mom. They smell as good as your grandma, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mom, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. And it rang. Ding dong. What do you think they should do? Do you think they should wait and see who comes in? Or do you think they should quick gobble up their cookies? What else could they do? Maybe break their cookies in half? Oh dear, said Mom, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. And guess who it was? It was Grandma with an enormous plate of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. How many did she make? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. Who do you think is there now? Oh dear. And that's the story, The Doorbell Rang, by Pat Hutchins. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye.